Because the primary camera and speed were the major emphasis of the S23 Ultra, we can anticipate them to move their focus to other areas with the Galaxy S24 Ultra next year. I know we're almost a year away from the S24 Ultra, so it's a little early to speak about the phone, but information about the Galaxy S24 line has already begun to circulate. According to a new rumor, Samsung is planning to outfit the Galaxy S24 Ultra with its most flexible display. The S24 Ultra, in particular, could have a 144Hz touchscreen, up from 120Hz on the S23 Ultra. That's 24 frames per second more movement. In principle, this means that the phone's movements will be better, and gaming and moving through the UI will feel more fluent and snappier. In practice, however, I don't believe this would make much of a difference because we're approaching declining returns terrain. You won't detect the additional frames unless you search for them explicitly. It's also worth noting that the report should be treated with caution because the source is new and has no track record. In any case, it also says that the Galaxy S24 will eventually feature satellite internet. The feature was reported for the S23 range, but Samsung abruptly scrapped the plans, claiming that satellite capability is currently too restricted. The real explanation was that Android does not yet support satellite communication, which will change with Android 14, and Qualcomm also stated that while the 8 Gen 2 processor supports the feature, it will not be enabled until the second part of this year. So it made no sense for Samsung to include the feature on the S23 and then make customers wait nearly a year to use it. As a result, they pushed it to the S24 range, which is also mentioned in this story. In addition, unlike Apple's emergency SOS, Samsung's application is intended for both emergency and non-emergency circumstances. The S24 will feature two-way satellite communication for talking and messaging. Samsung is more likely to use the same 200MP primary sensor on the S24 Ultra, but with a new zoom camera. This could imply a constant zoom camera capable of taking detailed pictures at non-native zoom settings ranging from 3x to 10x. It could also imply moving in beyond the 100x level, possibly to 150x. It will also include the standard annual speed improvements. In reality, the 8 Gen 3 has already appeared on Geekbench 5, with very remarkable findings. It actually outperforms the 14 Pro Max's S16 processor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.